My name is Neha Agarwal. I'm a founder of Fawks AI, and I have around now 17 years of experience in enterprise solution software development. I worked in different companies, United Nations, Credit Suisse, Royal Bank of Canada, and now finally I'm starting my own company in conversational AI, that is Fawks AI. We can talk about it even more.
Hello, my name is Arun Gaurav and I'm also co-founder of Fawks AI. I have more than 12 years of experience in working in corporate banking and startups. So now with Neha, we are building this conversational AI called Fawks AI. I think when in the January we started Fawks AI and we visit this web summit in Doha and we started getting lots of traction from there, lots of customers, inquiries and everything. And within 3 months of our product launch and MVP, we got 2 paid customers and we delivered more than 10 pilots and demos to the customer. And then we realized, okay, there is a huge market for it and customers are coming to us and they are asking questions. So I think this was the realizing point. I think it always happens that you have to balance between work and life. This was the hardest part. And another I can see is always that technology is changing so fast. And if we are focusing on one thing, something other changes. And I think, and businesses are also aware of these things, that what is happening across the globe. So they always demand you new things. But because you are too much into your own thing, you sometimes you lose the track what is happening around you.
I think it's very much for the AI startups nowadays because AI is changing like very fast. Every other day we see a new model with new use case, new startups pops up. So the focus with what we are doing is, I think it's the most important thing. And we never thought like it will, till earlier, before AI era, it is not so fast change. Things are not changing in such a rapid speed. But with AI, I think this is the thing which we have never thought of, but it's really changing very fast.
I think for this thing, last 2 years back, we also had one idea. We started working on it. And then we went to take feedbacks from people. But a couple of people said that it will not work, and we stopped working on our idea. I think that was the one bad thing we did, because now we know that, couple of feedbacks doesn't define what is happening. And today we see lots of companies are working in the same space and they are successful. So I think take as much feedback one should do. So currently we are doing the same. Some people may say it will not work, but don't listen to them, just go out and talk to more and more people.
More customers and get their feedbacks from your customer and the business user actually. So not the tech person, but the business user who needs your solution. So if you when we are explaining our solution to the business user, they really say, wow, oh, AI can do this also. This is very good use case. But if we will talk to more about the startup founders and in the more active tech people in the AI space, then it feels like a different approach. But I think the best thing is to talk to the users and my target customer.
Okay. As currently we are building our startup, so I think half of the money we would like to put into the startup and convert it to. So if we put 5 million in startup, we will focus on making it 50 millions or 100 millions. And rest 5 millions, I think, if there is no string attached, we will want to buy a house somewhere in Austria. And
Good choice.
So we are building a conversational AI platform. So our AI can be trained on the business data and can speak like a human. And we are omnichannel in voice, email, and in chat.
Okay.
Yes, so we are already now GDPR compliant. So we are using the foundational model behind our conversational AI is we are using open source model and hosted here in European data center in Microsoft Azure. So we are taking care of all these things that EU data should be inside the EU. And of course, in our platform, we are not storing any sensitive customer data. It's just their data. So we are transforming their queries. The whole model is trained on their business data, like frequently asked questions, their opening timings, like all the use cases. They provide us to train it. So we are taking care of this.
To add to this, mostly the problem with the customer always face, they don't want to expose their demographic data, and that we are not storing in our system.
In
So it's
our
already in the businesses which we are working with. They already have their data. So when it's required, we fetch it through APIs and we send the queries back to the system. So we don't store anything. We store whatever data we store in our system. It's mostly non-demographic, so nobody can identify whose customer is that. So it's mostly generic data which we are storing. Yeah.
So it's just like we are looking forward all the mentor sessions, success mentor sessions. So that will be a good, would be very helpful for us. And of course, we are getting lots of opportunity. We just joined 1 month, and still we are getting lots of opportunity to showcase our startup in front of right audience, and we are looking forward for more collaboration with corporates to this. So I think Venturecake is helping us in that direction a lot.
I think second most important thing is being part of Venturecake validates
Yes.
that what we are building is have some value, and they validated it, and it also gives us confidence to build it better. And second, I think second most exciting part is having this beautiful place to be, come here, work. Means it's also a perk itself. So
Yeah.
it gives you opportunity. You are coming out of your
Networking.
home and you're working here, networking and all these things. So I think this is another big boost for us. I think if we look, so we always discuss this, we both, that we would love to be here for as long as possible. So maybe after this accelerator program will end, we will have a permanent place in this building, and also a connection where we can grow, we can be part of Venturecake, and we can help even Venturecake also in future. When new cohorts will come, we can mentor them, we can support them, and Venturecake will help us in business networking and how we can
Grow.
get some funding or get an exposure, which I think all the startups required.
Thank you.